So that's the reason. And as I said, sir, he's my younger son. I couldn't handle him. Very playful. And one thing I realized was he had his ability. But like my elder son, I had to give him time to grow. I cannot impose things on him just because he had an ability until he takes responsibility and interest in what he's doing. So what I ensured him was not to waste time, at least maintain a decent level of performance until he takes responsibility on his task. 11th and all was really tough, I'm telling you, handling him. Both of us are living in the same house. He can survive in the house without looking at me for 5 days. Same house, same floor. He can do that. He had the capability to do that. But I just allowed him to grow. All that I ensured was he doesn't waver too much. He doesn't waste his time too much. So he was maintaining a certain standard of performance. But as he was growing, the maturity came, he started taking responsibility. So ultimately, the purpose is to get a seat, ensure a seat in those institutions. It's not the numbers that matters. He's achieved it. The process is solved. That's it. The same thing goes for advance. I hope he does better and achieve what he wants. So what I'm telling you is, let's enjoy the process thoroughly. Let's follow a system, trust that system, work in that system, and get the desired results. Let's not put undue pressure on us with numbers or time. It is a balance of quality and quantity. If we just enjoy the process, trust the system, follow them, take proper guidance from them and do it, it's quite achievable. So, thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. And hope you have a very bright future. You'll always be in my prayers, sir. Thank you.